Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Square invoicing for faster dropshipping cash flow step by step clearly. To enable Square invoicing for faster dropshipping cash flow, start by logging into your Square account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the invoicing option on the left sidebar. Click on invoicing to access the invoicing section. Here, you'll find options to create and manage your invoices. To set up invoicing features, click on Settings within the Invoicing section. Review the settings to ensure they meet your business needs. Enable any necessary features, such as automatic reminders and payment options. Next, return to the Invoicing section and click on Create Invoice. Fill in the required details, including the customer's email address and payment amount. Make sure to add a clear and concise description of the products or services rendered. You can set the due date for the invoice according to your payment terms. Add any additional fees, discounts, or taxes if applicable. Preview the invoice to ensure all information is accurate. Once verified, click Send to email the invoice directly to your customer. Monitor incoming payments in the Payments section of your dashboard. Keep track of outstanding invoices to maintain a healthy cash flow. Encourage customers to pay promptly by offering various payment options. Consider using digital payment methods to expedite cash flow further. Regularly check your invoicing reports to gain insights into your cash flow trends. Adjust your invoicing processes based on your findings for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.